They're going to be looking at the crypto war and where is the cryptos likely to go. As you can see, most of the cryptos are on pink, and we have a few on green and a few swimming in the Red Sea. Also, we'll be discussing Capital CEO Bitcoin will come of age during this financial crisis. 15,855 Bitcoin were transferred by anonymous wallet. Also in today's episode, blockchain's job continue to rise despite global recession. We will also be covering Bitcoin killer. Microsoft want to create cryptocurrency powered by body. And last but not least, most traders expect new all-time high price to Bitcoin in 2020. Thank you for tuning in. On our first news, on Tuesday, March 26th, Morehead, founder, co-CEO, and CEO of blockchain focused investment from. Thank you for tuning in. On Thursday, March 26th, Morehead, founder, co-CEO, and CEO of blockchain focused investment firm Pantera Capital Management LP, explained why the Bitcoin current fiscal monetary policy in the US is highly likely to inflate the price of Bitcoin. Morehead comment were delivered via March 2020 issue of Blockchain Letter, which is Pantera Capital monthly newsletter. Morehead started by looking at the potential impact of the coronavirus on the economy. He believed under the bad scenario, the GDP of the US will suffer a 4% seasonal adjustment annually rate decline in quarter two. Federal Reserve of St. Louis President James Bullard is, however, much more pessimistic about the economy impact of the coronavirus. As Bloomberg reported last Sunday, March 22nd, he told them during the phone interview that he believed the U.S. unemployment rates may hit 30% in the second quarter because of the shutdown to combat the coronavirus. With unprecedented 50% drop in gross domestic product, Morehead said that the virus is a physical constraint on the economy activity, and it will be very difficult to counteract with the standard economy policy. He further explained as the government increased the quality of paper money, it takes more piece of paper money to buy things that have fixed quantities like stock, real estate, and above where they would settle upset an increase in amount of money. They also inflate the price of other things like gold, Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrency. Now that we are in the trillions, the deficit just simply has to have a positive impact on the price of the things now that we're in the trillions, the deficit just simply has to have a positive impact of the price of things, not the quantity, stock, real estate, cryptocurrency relative to the price of money. Here is the Morehead prediction for the price of Bitcoin. The price of Bitcoin may set a new record in the next 12 months. It's not going to happen overnight. My best guess is that it will take institutional investors 2 to 3 months to current portfolio issues. Another 3 to 6 months to research the new opportunities like distressed debt, special situation, crypto, etc. Then as they begin making allocation, those market will really begin to rise. Regarding the correlation of crypto with stock, Morehead said that his firm believed that the short-term high correlation will general market is over and crypto will trade independently. 15,855 bitcoins were transferred by anonymous wallet or wells accumulating. Over the last 24 hours, World Alert has detected around 1,000 transactions, being almost 16,000 Bitcoin in total. This amount to $99,702,423. These transactions were conducted with the participation of such major exchanges such as Binance, Plonex, Bitfinex, OKEx, and Coinbase. 13 million again transferred by Gemini and to Binance. And also 10 million transferred from Theta Treasury to unknown wallet, and 13 millions transferred from BitTEX to unknown wallet. As you can see, the graph display everything. When on March 12th, the Bitcoin price faded a severe drop, losing around 50% of its value, and then recover a little bit. Traders started to tweeting that an accumulation period when BTC will be traded in a range will be much better for the price than an immediate surge. As Bitcoin is trading in $6,200 area at the moment, having gone down from 6,700 area earlier, some popular trader on Twitter are being sarcastic about the current Bitcoin price. saying that it may hold here for a very long time. Also in today's episode, trillions of dollars have been injected into the global market in attempting to revitalize the world economy. The US alone recently hit its highest unemployment rate in history. The war seems to be falling apart, except for blockchain. Kraken, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the United States, is looking to increase its job force by 10%, despite the recent dip in crypto price. According to Forbes on March 26, Kraken team currently members strong and is adding an additional 67 hires to the company over the coming weeks. Many of the companies opening are for people who are hospitality professional with the skill set focused around the liberal acts. Indeed.com display approximately 114.5 million blockchain-centric jobs last December. Right before the first coronavirus case was reported by February 2020, that number has increased 6%, 118.4 million. Blockchain industry expert are bullish toward the crypto market. Jin-Han Wu, founder of Bitcoin mining giant Bitmain, gave his first interview of 2020 at a Chinese blockchain media event, revealing his continued optimism for crypto market bull run over the coming year. He explained, there are two seasons. First, from China and its neighbor country, experienced coronavirus can be obtained and taken under control in about 2 months. Secondly, countries around the world are adopting great quantitative easing mandatory policy. Also, Tyler Wolkovacs, co-founder of Gemini cryptocurrency exchange, also stated on Twitter yesterday that the Bitcoin is the only vaccine in the world that can give you immunity to the money printing disease. On our next discussion, Bitcoin killer Microsoft want to create cryptocurrency powered by body heat. Microsoft is not sleeping on cryptocurrency high. The software behemoth plans to create its own cryptocurrency that will use body activity data instead of computational power for mining. A public available pattern titled Cryptocurrency System using the body activity data was published on March 26. According to the pattern description, different kinds of body activity such as heat emitted when a user performs a certain task online, even brainwave, can be utilized for mining and serve a proof of work. One will be able to solve complex computational problems subconsciously without relying on expensive energy-intense hardware. An energy hub. While Bitcoin network is lauded for its high level of security, one Bitcoin transaction produced more than 650 Visa transactions. The power-based cryptocurrency consumes more power than Chile. On top of that, 98% of ACICS are going straight to a landfill because they have only. On our next story, most traders expect new all-time high prediction of Bitcoin in 2020. A user poll conducted by Kraken has revealed that most traders are expecting Bitcoin to break into a new all-time high before 2021. The poll analyzed the response of 400 VIP crypto traders on Kraken. 40% of the respondents described themselves as investors. 40% identify themselves as traders, and 15% as institutional, with the remaining 4% comprising payment processors, crypto exchange, and miners. Traders expect to set a new record high this year, not Ethereum. The survey found that the average Bitcoin price target for 2020 is 810, compromising the average price for target Ethereum. The overall market sentiment is slightly bullish, with the 44% participants stating that the cryptocurrency market are in a bull market, while the 22% believe we are in a bear trend, and 34% stating that they are unsure. There was little consensus among the traders as to what will accelerate crypto growth over the next 12 months. The top entered compromise adoption with 19% Bitcoin upcoming, having come in second with 15%, followed by political conflict with 11%, fear of missing out with 11%, on economy crisis with 9%. Respondents come to a greater agreement regarding the major threat to the industry, with 32% of participants agreeing that the regulation comprise the biggest risk to crypto, followed by fraud, hack, scam with 22%. Half of the traders in altcoin seasoning during 2020. Over half of participants predict an altcoin seasoning for 2020, with the 54% answering is affirmative. The survey also asked respondents to list their 5 favorite altcoin, with Ethereum, Monero, Ripple, Litecoin, Tatos topping the list. Nearly half of the respondents indicate that they do not use stablecoin, with 44.4%. Tether was by far the most popular stablecoin, with 33 of its users adopting USDT, followed by doing an analyst called Bitcoin crash to hit $2,400 soon. With the market showing a range of conflict signals, one analyst has now made a bold prediction that Bitcoin will soon see its largest collapse in over a year, where investors should consider all possibilities, such as a bold assumption is certainly to be controversial. Many conclusions can be reached using the chart data alone, which is why other markets on consideration should be examined with making the price prediction. There are presently no shortage of larger indicators that an analysis have been using to emphasize Bitcoin remarkable potential for big gain. These include impending block reward having a significant increase in overall blockchain activities, and an increase in interest in using Bitcoin as a financial safe haven. This have been your boy Ismail with the top 5 crypto news and update. Have a great day. Peace.